Hi, in this video I'll show you how learners can create bookmarks in lesson for quick access back to content. To make things more convenient for learners, a dedicated bookmark feature has been added to lessons. To add a bookmark, open a desired course and lesson and select Fragment of text. A pen icon will appear. Click the icon. The bookmark is now successfully created. All bookmarks saved in the Learner's navigation menu in the Bookmarks section. The page displays all bookmark Learners has created. Here, they can be sorted by various criteria. The font size can be changed. Also, they can download as PDF or delete. Learners can also open each bookmark individually. Simply click the Open button. After opening the bookmark, the system will automatically redirect the learner to the corresponding course and lesson where it was created. The highlighted text fragment will be marked in green. That's how easily learners can create and use bookmarks to quickly return to important information in a course. Hope that helps, and good luck with your academy!